Thanks to BBQ Magic II, you don't ever have to worry about being rushed to the hospital after eating a hamburger from your grill. Throw away your brush and get BBQ Magic today. With our special TV discount offer, go to bbqgrillscraper.com.
Here's a product called BBQ Magic Grill Scraper that I invented and my daughter. It will save your life. And they even put on a label on the brush that tells you, look for wire brushes on the grates. But here's a product, you're done with a brush, your family is safe. And I'll show you how it works. It fits from 3/8 down to the 16th, all round grates. All you do is go sideways and it cleans underneath and on the top. You can flip it over, you go like that underneath and cleans on top. Now you can start going this way and then in between, and when you're done, you just wipe this off with a paper towel. Has a bottle opener, it's stainless steel, and will last you for 15 to 20 years, and your family is safe. But this will save your life. Trust me and believe me, and if you don't believe me, go on and look for Danger Wire Grill Brushes on the website. And it will last you a long time. And like I showed you, lean it to the side, go back and forth, and it cleans underneath. And you can flip it over, and you go like that underneath on the other side. Now you can go this way, in between, and just wipe it off with a paper towel. It looks like that all summer long, and you'll enjoy it.
Thanks to BBQ Magic II, you don't ever have to worry about being rushed to the hospital after eating a hamburger from your grill. Throw away your brush and get BBQ Magic today. With our special TV discount offer, go to bbqgrillscraper.com.